Hi felters and welcome. This video is to help raise awareness for Zenia from the Lady Moth. I'm sure some of you know her because I've mentioned her before. Her work is absolutely fantastic, so do go and have a look at her work on Instagram. But Zenia is, she's been absolutely brilliant. She is trying to raise money to support Ukrainian migrants in Poland. And she has set up a Facebook page. And on that Facebook page, when you request to join, you will get access to a video tutorial in order to make this most beautiful sunflower field pin brooch. I made it earlier today. I have already worn it out and I've had people commenting on it already, and it is gorgeous. It really, really is. So when you get onto that Facebook page, once you're approved, you agree to donate whatever amount of money you can, and it goes to the charity called Our Choice. 100% of the proceeds go to that charity as well. So that's very, very kind of Zenia. And you also try and help promote it, but you will get access to the video tutorial, and Zenia will lead you all the way through how to make this pin badge. So I'm going to show you the making of it that I did, and then after that I'll tell you what colours I used and where I got them from. Obviously, I can't share any more. You will have to go on the Facebook page. All the details will be listed below. It's a win-win. You get a beautiful tutorial, the charity gets some money. So the colours I used were from Claire's Crafts Create, and they will all be listed down below. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please help spread awareness of this and take care.